Hello, everybody. My name is Bob, and I play the oboe. Sometimes they call me Bobo. Anyway, let me tell you what an oboe is. It is a reed instrument, and if I could find it, here we go. Whoops. This is what the reed looks like. It has two sides, and they call it a double reed. And when you put it in your mouth, you can make a sound out of it. Also, I can make it crow. It sounds a little bit like a rooster, doesn't it? Anyway, let me show you the rest of the instrument. It's long. It has all silver keys. This end of the instrument right over here, because it looks like a bell, is called a bell, and there are lots and lots and lots of keys. Let me show you what it sounds like. Those are scales. Anyway, let me play a couple of songs that you might know. Do you know this one? How about this one? I bet you know what that one is. This one whoops. This one you may be able to figure out what it is also. And one more. I hope you enjoyed listening to the oboe. I really enjoyed doing this for you. Bye.